Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Junk Journal January hosted by Meg of Meg Journals. And our prompt for today is fragile. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. Well, hopefully today's will go better than yesterday's. I really struggled with that little pocket thing. But today's is going to be really easy. And I am using some of these images. I've got this little image and these that I fussy cut around from Marimy's small art collage book. And I did a flip through on that just this past week. So check that out if you're interested. They're beautiful images. So I'm just going to put this down. Hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing good. I can't get over yesterday's video and how much I struggled. But I think it turned out cute in the end. But I am not a good one for teaching anything, that's for sure. Okay. That. Oh. Like I said, this is going to be short, sweet, simple. And I'm using as fragile. I'm thinking about the snow and the ice and the frozen grass and how fragile all that gets when it gets frozen like that. So that was just the best thing I could think of at the time. So I'm just gonna add these little images like she's walking through the forest. But I really love this book. I mean, this is going to be a really fast one. It took me longer to fussy cut than it is to put this together. I love that. And I'm just going to add these little gems up here, like they're snowflakes, which are fragile. All right. And let's see here. Find my pen. Maybe just to go around a little bit to make it pop from the page. These are so cute. I love the expressions on their faces. Sometimes I think just the black around it just helps it to pop. Brings it out. Got to find my gel pens. We're supposed to get more snow Tuesday. So we'll see. Hopefully it's not going to be the ice. I think I'm going to go around this little bird. Okay. And now I just want to put date on there. I think I'll do that right here. And we'll call this done. Fragile in the Snow. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye, y'all.